Often when you get text from somewhere else, from a file or from a web interface, the text is not in a form that you like it right from the beginning. So you have to clean up a little bit, and there are a few functions which can help you here. So a mistake or some misspelling you often see is that you do not have just the text, but you have some leading empty spaces and some empty spaces at the end. And you can get rid of those using the function trim. So if you say trim and enter the cell with this text, then the leading and the empty space at the end will disappear. The function clean is working quite similarly. There are some characters which are not printable. In this case we have a line break, and if we say clean and enter this cell, you can see the line break disappears. And sometimes you would like to avoid or simply go for upper or lower case characters only. So if I have this one in here, I could say lower and enter that one, and then all characters will be replaced by the lower ones. And if I say upper, exactly the opposite is happening. And there is one special formula which is proper, which only makes the first character of each word in big in upper characters. The rest is lower. If you have several words, could be very important. So you can see here it's all small, here it's all big, and here we have a big V and a big I. All the first letters of each word are made a big one, an upper one.